The respect of his teammates with that toughness, going for a deep ball, has a man behind the defense, it's caught for a touchdown. The rookie, Mac Hollins, with his first career touchdown.
Former 4th round pick wide receiver Mac Hollins is no longer with the team.
Is the loneliest number
It ripped him of the entire offseason. Was placed on injured reserve the day of the season opener.
Loneliest number since the number one.
The year after that, I got hurt in Philly. Didn't come back from the injury, missed the whole year. I'm gonna end up finding these guys from Australia. Breathing, and they do barefoot stuff, and they do all this kind of like holistic, bring you back to where you started type of stuff.
Everything matters.
Get him. Oh yeah.
Mac Hollins. Put your feet on it. Like, that's my guy. This guy, bottom of his feet are black. He's been walking around New York City.
With time going for the end zone, it is caught by Mac Hollins for the touchdown. Looking end zone, it is caught for a touchdown by Mac Hollins.
I can't see me loving nobody but you for all my life. When you're with me, baby, the skies will be blue for all my life.
I can't see me loving nobody but you for all my life. Oh, Ninj, we're back. How good was that video?
Yeah, it's good.
Ripper.
Matty's a great editor.
He is a bloody good editor.
Fuck, he's good.
He's
good
very
bloke.
good.
Great mullet.
But what you've just seen is our experience with Mac Hollins. He plays in the NFL. When we first got together with Mac was back in 2019. He played for the Eagles. He had busted groins, sat out a whole year, got in contact with us via Instagram because he saw a YouTube video of Ninja treating my groin and he knew that he needed that treatment. Bodywork was our first point of call. We fixed him up, we got him right, and basically he's playing better than ever. And what you just have seen is excerpts from his pre-season camp that he did to Melbourne, Australia last year. He came for nearly 2 weeks and he just immersed himself in everything we've got to give, eh? So the sprinting, the lifting, nature, meditation, breath work, and yeah.
Fun.
Joy.
Humor.
Yeah.
Humor.
That's
Having
it.
a laugh.
Life's too serious, so when you do the right work, you got to have fun and have a smile on your face when you do it, and that's what Mac has been able to exemplify. And we're a results-driven business, and it was the same thing with Mac. So he needed to see results, we needed to deliver results, and the proof's in the pudding. When he started working with us to now, he's playing the best football he's ever played in his career. He's earning the most money he's ever earned in his career from immersing himself in what we have to offer at MMT. So the nuts and bolts of it is, if you're an athlete out there and you feel like your performance is dwindling, you can't be doing what you want to be doing, and you need to get an edge on your opponents and on the competition, come work with us. We can deliver the stuff, deliver the goods, and help you get to where you want to be in the athletic world.
Yeah.
Done.
Come on, let's get it done.
Hang on, let me play this song, Ninja. We can fucking...
Juicing that phone of yours, man. Let it run dry.
Yeah,
Let
man.
it run flat. Flat as a shit Carter's hat. We've got to get to the good bit.
Oh, come on, you dog.
Turn it up, mate.
Day and night.
Happy together.
This could be a whole video.
Hello. He's got to be strong to actually run through people, but he's also got to be very fast as well.
Look good.
It's so good to hear the rattle. You're like, oh.
Outtakes. That's fucking lost.
I've got to focus on the dosage as well, because when we're blowing
You're blowing. Gotta give him a good dose.
Still working out, bruz.
Work's never done. Getting back to the car. Earning our lunch today.
Yeah, getting it done. Going to work. Almost there.
Lunch is this way, bruz.
Earn your fucking feed. Earn your feed.